Monday, July 20th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Had scattered thunderstorms and a lot of heat over the weekend, and basically the same idea over the next couple of days. Let's begin this morning with a look at the Fury 325 camera out at Carowinds, and it is a warm and humid start to the day. 73 degrees, the temperature near Charlotte, there near Carowinds, with a dew point up there at 71. That's sky high. Humidity right now at 91%. These are highs yesterday all across the region. Jackson, Mississippi at 99, 98 in Memphis, Macon, Georgia 101, New Orleans 97. That is pretty staggering down there. 97 in Pensacola too, same deal. And across the Carolinas, a lot of heat yesterday. 95 in Wilmington. It was 94 for the high in Greensboro. Even Boone at 82. That's a pretty hot mountain day. 91 in Asheboro, 93 in Burlington yesterday, 93 in Mount Airy, 100 in Monroe. 96 in Gastonia and Charlotte, 97 in Concord. Just a hot, steamy Sunday, and then scattered thunderstorms rolled on through. More on that in a moment. There's your 5:30 a.m. Monday morning temperatures. A lot of 70s on the board here as we're beginning the work week. And there is a look at the radar presentation as we went through the afternoon and the evening hours yesterday. Just some scattered thunderstorms, most of which were not severe. Now, we did have a very electric thunderstorm right there in Cleveland County. It put down a ton of lightning for a brief period of time. It really pulsed up in intensity, and by far that was the most electric storm of the day across the region. And again, not a lot of severe weather, but we did have some lightning, a lot of it in a few of the thunderstorms yesterday. There's your storm reports. No formal storm reports in either the Charlotte or the Triad viewing area, but you did have a few wind damage reports near Raleigh and a little bit northeast of Durham, and then a good number of wind damage reports yesterday down through portions of South Carolina. Now we look at rain amounts. There's a look at the Triad area rain totals. The Charlotte, let me get the right tool here. There we go. All right, look down toward the Charlotte area. The biggest rain totals over in the eastern parts of the viewing area, and with that thunderstorm in Cleveland County. But again, just for instance, there's the Triad area. You had 2.5 inches of rain recorded in Burlington, but nothing in downtown Greensboro. It's that kind of deal, with the hit and miss thunderstorms yesterday. Heat advisories up again for eastern North Carolina and portions of South Carolina. That is for heat index values up over 105 this afternoon. There's your actual high temperature forecast today. It's going to be a hot one. And even for places like Charlotte and Greensboro, we should see heat index values up over 100 this afternoon. Now, in terms of rain chances, it doesn't look like there's a ton out there to generate any widespread showers or storms today. And you notice on the high resolution modeling, it is not terribly excited about rain prospects today. But I do think a few showers and thunderstorms out there as we go through, especially this afternoon and this evening, and even a little outflow boundary moving in through the mountains this morning. I didn't stick that radar data in there, but there's a little outflow boundary moving through the mountains this morning. That could even bring the foothill areas in the northern foothills a few morning showers. Now we get on into the day tomorrow, and I think a better coverage of scattered thunderstorms tomorrow as this cold front approaches, so some scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms for your Tuesday. And it's a hot one. There's your highs again across the region. Now that front actually slides down into South Carolina by Wednesday. That'll do a couple things. One, it'll push the best rain chances down roughly to I-20. North of that, rain chances really look pretty limited for Wednesday, and temperatures back down a bit. That's the second thing that front will do. Notice 91 in Greensboro, 92 in Raleigh, 94 in Charlotte. Not a cool down, or not any cool weather, I guess I should say, by any means, but the heat relaxes a bit. And I think that's the basic idea that then continues through the rest of the work week. Probably in the North Carolina Piedmont, a lot of highs in the low 90s for the rest of the week and into the weekend. Not terribly bad. All right, tropical update time. Gulf of Mexico, very quiet. There's a look at the Caribbean Sea this morning. A couple of flare-ups of storms down near South America in Central America, but nothing overly impressive. And out into the Atlantic Ocean, you have a flare-up of storms there northeast of the Bahamas. A couple tropical waves out there too that we'll keep an eye on way out in the Atlantic Ocean, but nothing pressing at the moment in terms of tropical development. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day, stay cool, and God bless.